1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip. 1, 2, 3, I don't know who else to be. 4, 5, 6, like they say I can't be fixed. 1, 2, 3, your attention's all I need. 4, 5, 6, don't let it slip.
Hi guys, in this video we're gonna have a walk around in our Royal Grand Pool Villa at Santyhia Resort's Koh Yao Yai Island. So this is Kitty, my wife. Hey! Somebody. So this is kind of the main entrance. You can sit here, they have a couch, sofa, place to chill, watch television. There is the minibar for the next room. This room. This is a bathroom. This is just insane, this bathroom. It takes you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, yeah, nearly 21 seconds to reach the other end. It's just crazy. Here's some outdoor shower after the pool. Here is amazing with them. It's just so clean and have the natural stones. The setting is nicely done, passionate as well. So let's go to the outside. So here's the chill area. They also have the plug-ins and the light there. And here you can just, oh my god, what a view, what can I say? Here you can just relax and enjoy the sunrise and the sunset. Is just unbelievable. This is the seawater pool. Oh my gosh. This is the master bedroom. So this was the first floor. round about 42 US dollars. So, how was it possible to get this room for round about 50 US dollars a night? The Thai government introduced a tourism stimulus called Rao Tiao Duai Gan, which means travel together. So the Thai government covers up 40% up to a maximum of 3,000 baht per night. But that's not it. Furthermore, we got discounted flight tickets. Additionally, we got 900 baht during weekday and 600 baht on weekend for the food that we consume in the hotel per day. And last but not least, and I think it comes by no surprise, that the COVID situation reduces the prices drastically, brutally. I've never seen a price like this in this hotel before.